What's up, people? It's Chris again here, doing another one of my hardcover comic reviews. Thanks for joining me. Robert Kirkman and Jason Howard, Astounding Wolfman. I love zombies. Not the biggest fan of The Walking Dead, but I love werewolves. And I love this a lot. Haven't honestly finished it. We're going to finish it in this volume. I read the first 20 issues, I think, and it goes through 25. Great price, $54.99. Image Comics, love those guys. Nice printed on hardcover. I know these things are resilient. So it's a hardcover comic, mostly review. Look, super pretty. That is pretty. Nice and shiny. Reflects the tripod. Let's bust this thing out, see what's going on. I mean, dude, it's really nice, you guys. Oh, it's really nice, you guys. Very, very, like, limber and open. That's super cool. I mean, you got to read this book. It's just a lot of fun. It's so good. At least the first 20 issues are amazing. And I have no problem assuming that the rest of the book will be great. Yeah, that's right. I said, oh, Invincible crossover. Invincible. Love to get those hardcovers, and one day I'll do it. We'll all watch them, or all open them together. It's a nice book. Artwork's great. Robert Kirkman's great. I'd love for Image United to be finished. Random thought. Anyway. Yeah, it's so good. I don't want to spoil the end of it for myself, so I'm going to go ahead and skip to the back. Nice sketchbook section. Hey, Kirkman. That's funny. Really extensive sketchbook cover gallery section. That's cool. This thing's like $50, man. It is so worth every penny. And like I say, it's an Image comic, so it's going straight to the guys that created it. Oops. Oh, Manifest Destiny, as soon as that's a hardcover. Alright, anyway. This is amazing. It's amazing. Astounding Wolfman. Thank you guys as always for joining me. I think I have new stuff coming soon, I hope. Thanks for sticking with me. See you soon. Love you guys.